Hi everybody, my name's Dane. I'm here today to talk to you about this single replacement exhaust valve. This is part number 2011-1 made by our friends at GSC Power-Division. This is the standard height, the standard size head on this valve, which is 32 millimeters. The stem is 6 millimeter diameter and the valve length is 104.37 millimeters length. This is if you are rebuilding your cylinder head, this is an excellent valve to go with. This one is just the individual, but GSC does sell them in sets of 8. It's 2011-8 for the entire set of 8, 2011-1 for this single piece. So if you are just buying an individual valve, you can buy one, you can buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bada boom, bada bing. They are usually readily available in singles and definitely plenty available in the full set. And again, this is the OEM exhaust valve size, 32 millimeter. This fits EJ20, EJ257. All of them use the same size valve. And this is an excellent set of valves to go with. I've done multiple Subaru builds that have used these sets before, and it's, they hold up very well. And they do exactly as they're advertised. If you are going to be making a good bit of power with your car, these are a good set to go with. They're robust and they simply get the job done. Now, if you are planning on sending it to the moon, GSC does have higher quality options that are made of their super alloys and are a little bit more robust compared to this too. So everything has its place, but for a direct OE-like replacement, it's hard to beat these with how cost effective they are. So if you're looking for a set of valves, we carry GSC's valves, valve springs, valve guides, camshafts, you name it. So head on over to importimageracing.com.